Fujitsu is it's a world's top 5 multinational from the IT perspective. In terms of services, with the top 3 across the globe. We are a $55 billion company, present more than 70 countries, having 170,000 employees across the globe. This is one of the very important portfolio which we bring to the table, which is from the server portfolio. And from the server portfolio, we get into a particular product which we have launched today, which is meant for the HPC, which is high performance computing marketing, and the cloud market and the cloud vertical. This device changed the dynamics of the business in terms of the way in which the compute was looked earlier. In a 2U form factor, you can have as many as 4 servers chipped in. So in a 2U form factor, we can offer a 64 core type of an offering. You can have as many as 24 disks, which can offer you a 24 terabytes of capacity to go in through. And at the same time, from the investment perspective of the customer, it's far more lucrative option as compared to a conventional rack offering in over here. So this is a new feather in the cap of Fujitsu, which we've launched for a product called CX400. We expect a huge market. The market already prevails for this product, and by the launch of this product, it helps the research organizations, it helps the automotive organizations, the people who are going in for the cloud offering as well as high performance computing offering, to have this product at residual charges, what they're talking about.